Welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we are working on my mom's Honda. We got the bumper. We're prepping it. And we're thinking of just putting it on for her, checking fitment and everything, and replacing some of these pieces. Like this grill is missing the Honda emblem on it. Her stock one had the emblem's pretty nice, so we'll go ahead and put this on there. And what else we do, Mike? Oh, we took out the front license plate. Florida doesn't require them, so we just took this whole thing off. And left this a little dirt spot in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is this like?
Somebody already drilled holes.
It's like it was made to have one there.
They put it back on.
Damn jerks.
Oh, goodness. There it goes.
Slides out the front.
Yeah. The cottage.
The garbage.
Not all here. Sunday.
Alright. Let's keep that off.
Yeah.
So I think the attack plan for today is to go ahead and scuff these up. And wax and grease remover, and then we'll do just primer on it to make it look good. And are we doing the hood today too, you think?
We might, yeah.
I might do the hood. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on the sanding. All right. Okay, now that we have gotten all of the shiny off of the hood and of the bumper and knocked out anything crazy off of it, we are going to go ahead and primer it. But you can't primer unless you do the wax and grease remover, which we're going to use that stuff right there. And we're going to do that now. So we're going to clean this all off. I still feel a bunch of stuff on it. See? So we got to clean all that stuff off first. So Mike, we should probably get a wet rag first.
We'll do it. I got it.
Yeah.
I got one right here and we'll get wet.
Yeah. Let's get a wet rag, and then we can use a wax and grease remover, and then I have this little dust cloth thing. This is my paint bucket. That's not gonna work. Use these little cloth things, so use one of those. All right. Okay, this is called Truss Wax Grease Remover. The paint store had it when I bought it. We were at the store, so we'll use that with some of the cloths that I have. But what the hell's that? You didn't get me one?
You want one?
No, I don't want one. So this is wet. Is this from?
I just barely wet it. I just wet it in a spot.
Sure this isn't sweat from something?
No, I poured bottled water on it to.
Oh,
I was
okay.
doing something. I don't remember what. Something to wipe off.
I'm sure it's sweat. Ball sweat.
All wet.
Y'all, joke's on you. It's on your hand now. Pour that in there. You do that. Oh, what? Baby dabs. Alright.
Come out faster than I thought it was going to.
Yeah, right? Oh, it smells so, so good. It smells like paint. Not paint. How fast it dries. Okay, now we just don't touch it afterwards with our hands.
Can I still use this over here?
Yeah. The idea is we're going to get all the wax and grease off here from our hands. I don't know, I see some shininess in this little groove right here.
I didn't get it off. Where are you seeing it? Oh, see it right there.
Yeah. Oh, we got to fix that, guys. So cleaning it actually brought that up. So we're going to go ahead and stop what we're doing, sand that again, and then we'll get that. We'll be right back. I got it. All right, Mike, we taped off the stuff. We have to do redo the black on that, I think. This is like a final step. No getting any micro stuff off. Looking forward to seeing if anything comes up on this. So far, nothing. Oh, Mike, we gotta tape that down.
Yep, I saw that.
That's not good. Okay, that's good. That's what we're looking for. Nothing coming up. Mike, I think we're ready to spray paint this.
I got you one shook up.
Shook it.
What are you looking for?
My little,
Oh, your gun.
my gun. I don't see it in here. That's not good. Must have put it down somewhere. Oh, oh, is that it right there? Okay.
Hang on, should we move this? I need to shift this. There we go.
Okay. All right. Okay. Let's see how this turns out. Right, bumper is all one color. We're going to let this dry. Then you'll notice that we left all the damage in there. He didn't really want to get that done, so we're gonna skip over that piece. And we are going to hit this with wet sanding 600. And then make this thing perfect for paint for when they come back. We'll put some paint on it and clear coat it. All right. It's time for lunch after we get done with our second coat. So we see all this rough patches and stuff. Put it on there pretty thick. We got it roughly about, what do you think, about 2 coats on each?
Mm-hmm.
So we have some 600 here. We're going to lightly go over it with wet sand. And we're going to use this little thing here.
My cereal bowl.
My sorrel.
My sorrel.
And we're just going to lightly go over it. Be careful on the edges. And it should smooth it out. Oh, feel that already, Mike.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'll get this side. And you're just lightly letting the we're just looking for that really nice fill. So we're gonna finish doing this. I think I'm gonna run it over with 800 as well. So this is 600. Then we're gonna go to 800 and see how that does. We'll be right back. Oh, we're also starting on this too. We're ready to start washing this off.
Yeah.
So we did the 600 to 800 on it.
Yeah.
This feels super smooth.
Okay.
But obviously there's layers over. So we're gonna take this outside,
We just
wash it off.
doing the wet sand.
Yeah. Let's look at this. Actually looks really good. Feels really good too. And for the most part, a lot of the tiger striping went away. There's a little bit we see.
But that's okay for now.
But it's okay. You won't see that with the
No, that's why I think
main coat.
I may, when we do get ready to paint it, I don't know, for some reason I feel like we might want to hit it one more time with primer.
Well,
But
you don't have
You
to.
don't have to, so.
Nope. Yeah, right there. You see it.
Yeah.
That's the only spot really.
But that's okay. I mean, that looks better than the white.
Yeah.
Just that by itself, even without the bumper.
Yeah.
Pull all this off.
Yeah. You're blind.
Where's it screw in here?
Dude, just slide it in.
Yeah, but I took out screws. I don't see screw holes there.
Wait, this is the wrong freaking. Oh, look at it. Wait, no, it needs to go over more. Mike, look up. It needs to be like right there. Should we compare the two? Where's the other one at?
Right here.
They look the same. Same size. What does this look like?
Okay, freaking. You see?
Oh!
These are broke.
Well, we could take the Honda Mo off.
Yeah, we can take this off. See, it's just 2 screws.
Okay. Tell you live in Florida when you don't wear shoes. Okay, let's hold
Who
it.
needs shoes in
Okay,
Florida?
back to this again. Okay.
Huh.
There.
One more time.
No, scoot it over. Needs to scoot over. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, those clips got to go underneath the headlight.
Okay.
Maybe it'll just slide in clip. Maybe we could pray it just slides in clips. Right? Okay, let's get it over there.
It was just, it was so soft.
I put lotion there. That's why. It had some dry skin.
Alright, there's. Oh, I gotta get that out down there.
Yeah.
Now there's some
Oh, the
screws.
string. It should be on takeoff.
Okay, you can stay there.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell's going on here?
I don't know. All right, we're gonna start wrapping this up. Look at that thing just slide on there. Mike's putting in the last bolt, right, Mike?
Yep.
Okay. Good deal. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. These are all extra from the last car. So you put that in.
Go under the front.
I'm sorry, what?
I still got to go under the front.
Okay. Well, we're done underneath the hood part. Well, hey, so we know, there's this plastic piece that goes right here. We know there is one. It tabs into both. It's not here, so we need to find that.
Yeah.
But let's take a quick look on what it looks like with everything in there. Okay. Okay. Oh, this looks way better, Mike.
Yeah, it does.
I forgot what this car looked like.
Still see some tire strapping in the hood, but
Yeah, it's just
or
that.
whatever you called it.
They call them tiger stripes.
That's a lot better than it was, though.
Yeah. That looks so much better. Well, we're limited on time, really. We have 1 day to work on it, and some of the pieces that we wanted to get, the place is closed, like for the paint. Oh, we can put those things back in. Put those in, Mike. I got that. You get underneath.
Oh yeah, almost forgot again. Boy, little memory loss. Fine, memory loss. Well, I can't go under there until you're done, anyways. Here.
There we go. Yeah.
I'm just gonna step out here for a minute.
Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. Everything's put back on. Okay, all set. I have a few minor screws to put at the bottom, and we're done. This is what she looks like. Big difference between today and yesterday. Yeah, that's a big difference. I'm glad we did that instead of just throwing it on there.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this concludes this video. We will be painting this sucker. We'll probably do a garage paint job and buff it and do all that good stuff. So, yeah, what you hear in the background is my wife pulling weeds. So, yelling. Anyway, until next time, guys. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.